So we were at the other job site doing the installation. I had a call that someone had installed a Honeywell generator. Honeywell is the same as Generac, it's just the brand is Honeywell. And the installer did it a couple of months ago, 6 months ago, and they have a problem with the charging of the battery. It's a brand new generator, so it's not about the generator itself, most probably. It's about the installation. They spent a lot of time fixing it. They were not able to do it. So I'm heading to their house to check it out. We were just about 10 minutes far from that customer, so while the crew was doing that installation, I'm just going to check it out and come back. If the people who are doing the installation are not certified Generac technicians, they don't know which wire does what, and it matters. It's really important to know what's going on in the generator. It makes the troubleshooting a lot easier. So now that I'm heading to fix this generator, I know what I'm looking for, because we know which wire is responsible to charge the battery. So I'm gonna go right to check that cable and those connections. So we will see how it goes. I believe it's a quick fix, but we will see.
At the next stop sign, turn right.
Okay, yeah, as I expected, the connections are not good. I'm gonna fix it and it's gonna work properly. I just need to go to the truck, bring something, and we're gonna be yeah, this is a tech cable, and the other one is in a conduit, but it has to go in the dirt. It's not safe to leave it like this because it's 100 amp going through that cable. After a while, dirt is gonna cover it and they're not gonna notice. They might damage it, so it has to be deep enough or higher than earth, fixed somehow so that it doesn't get damaged. Yeah, so this is not the perfect way of doing this.
There's nothing in there.
Was he an electrician?
There's nothing in this one.
Was he an electrician with it?
Yeah, yeah.
This is the worst job I have ever seen. It's not safe at all.
Okay.
The way they did this is, they have power all of these guys. It's live.
Okay.
I can open up to see, but the whole thing is I'm just gonna check if the generator works.
Yep.
But if it's up to me, we have to redo the whole thing. Okay. If you want to make it correct, this thing has to come off, that thing has to come off. To make it nice and clean. I smell gas here. Yeah, it's leaking. The valve is not good and it's leaking and it's right under the hydrometer. Okay, let's get out of here as quickly as possible. Lift it up. Yeah. Oh, this installation was not safe at all, so I told the customer that he has to redo the whole connections. Unfortunately, they had to spend a couple of thousands of dollars on this and it's not safe. So it's up to them to do the modification, or else the same guy to come and redo the job as I told him how to do it. That would be all, so hopefully nothing happens to this house. So this project had a couple of major faults. First of all, the trench had to be minimum 18 inch of deep depth for the gas. The gas was like 2-3 inches in the earth. The other thing was the way they did the kind of, the second one was the location of the propane. It was leaking and it was right underneath of the hydrometer. Any spark, this propane tank is gonna blow up. Third one, it was the way they did they had done the connections in the main panel. This is not safe at all because they did the connection in the main panel. They had extended it to the transfer switch, and the logs were all accessible. So any kid goes in and put his finger, God forbid he's gonna kill himself, he or she. So it wasn't safe. The whole installation was not safe. The whole thing has to be redone. This is the decision of the homeowner. What we can do, we just told them this is the case. They have to redo the whole thing. Sometimes the homeowners try to reduce the cost and probably have saved $2,000 on the whole job, and they put their life and their building under the risk, at risk of damage, fire and death. This is crazy. Nobody should do this.